Dockside. A nice 2-bedroom suite. Ninth floor. Upgraded to a 2-bedroom suite. Our number is 2964, so we're in Tower 2, the 9th floor, and the room is 64. So look at our view. It's only 6 AM in the morning. I don't know if you can see down there. We've been awake since about 3:45, and we're just going to go out for some breakfast now at 6 AM. But yeah, it's a lovely little room, or big room should I say. Nice microwave, sink, lovely little table. So here's the extra room with the little wardrobe in. Beautiful views of the pool. So we're just going to our breakfast now to Ihop. I'm whispering because it's 6 AM in the morning. But the weather's lovely. It was 29 when we got here last night. Cloudy. Today it says the same, 28, 29. And today is the 2nd of December, 2023. So we're just going to have a little relax today. Here's downstairs in the lobby at 6 AM. Universal shop's not even open. Oh, Starbucks is open. First time I've seen an empty reception. 3 lovely trees. So we're just going to make our way down to Ihop now, which is just outside, really 5 minutes away. Have some breakfast and go to Walmart to get a little shopping, because it's lovely to know we've been upgraded so we can get stuff for our breakfast. It says we've got a microwave and a little sink. We are in Walmart and it's, what time is it now? We've been to Ihop for our breakfast. This is now 7:30 in the morning, so it's nice and quiet in here. We had a lovely Uber driver, a lovely lady. It was only, how much was it? $7, really cheap, £5.50 from Dockside to Walmart. Well, not Dockside, Ihop, which is just outside. So we're just having a look for some teeth whitening stuff, and we're going to get a few bits to take back to our room to do us while we're here. Oh, the Christmas stuff! Ooh. So cute. So we bought ourselves this little toaster. We're going to get $9.98, and that's what we'll do us if we get ourselves some toast and some bread and butter and whatever. Oh. Wonder if there's any little treats for little Flo. Unusual treats. She loves the chocolate buttons. You can't get them at home no more. The white chocolate buttons. That's all cat. Little catty stuff. Let's go to the doggy aisle. Oh, this is fish. Must be down here, dogs. The little SpongeBob fish tank. Yeah, must be round here. Pepperoni. Little snowman cookie dough. There's my coconut cake I got last time.
They're all chocolate cream pie.
Yeah. Oh no, we've got that other one, haven't we? Big carrot cake there. Oh, they are gorgeous. 1996. Lovely. Christmas cupcakes. Oh, there's elf. Elf cupcakes. The famous sugar cookies, Christmas ones, which I've never tried. Yeah. It's the second now. Oh. Cute guys, cute. What's over here? Ham. Oh, very nice. I could have even got myself an avocado and some meat for avocado, but you can just go on and on, can't you? There's the avocados there. Wow, they're huge. So here we go, what have we bought? So now we've got a reduced banana pudding, which looks amazing. We've got some banana walnut slice cake, we've got some ham, some bread, crisps, eggs, bagels, and we've got some milk. We've bought a toaster, a crisp, and look at the size of these bottles of wine. That is $8.50 and that one is $9.90 I think. And I've bought these cute little owls, which are $2 each. Oh, little Christmassy owls. And we've got a toaster there, so my mum has just gone to get herself some coffee, I think, and she'll probably want some of this evaporated milk. And how's she going to open it? She's not going to be able to open it, so she can't get that. We are off to a day in Discovery Cove. It is now only 7:20 in the morning. It opens at 7:30, but we got here about 10 past and it was open to check in and get all your details. We did literally walk in was great. So it's going to be an amazing day. It's nice and warm for December. It's about 24 degrees now. Time for some breakfast. The little birds. Here we go.
Thank you.
Enjoy. So I've got a little yogurt, some breakfast. I'm gonna go and get a drink now. There's tissue. There's orange juice there as well. So I've gone for a little bit of bacon, sausage, these French toasty type of things, and a yogurt. Hello people, welcome back. So today we are at Discovery Cove and it is now, we got here early. It opens at 7:30. We got here about 7:10. We got an Uber from our hotel Dockside, which was worked out around £8, so brilliant. So we were here outside, about 10 minutes it takes in the car, and there was no queue. There was people already checked in, and the people are just really nice. They take you to the desk, check you in, tell you what time your dolphin swim is, which we are 9:20 at the starfish area. So we've got to go there at that time. We've just sat down and had a little bit of breakfast. It's great setup, the way they do it all, it's brilliant. So I'm really happy that we have got the dolphin swim at 9:20, as then we can just relax and do everything at our own pace then. So we're just finishing our coffee and had a little bit of breakfast, which was lovely. I'll do a little video, put that up now, and I'm gonna walk around and find a bed and put a wetsuit on and get ready to swim with the dolphins. So my mum, she's gonna love it, it'll be amazing. And what else are we gonna do? Yeah, just relax round, and then we can do a little snorkel, go on the lazy river. There's just loads to do here. It's brilliant and the weather is perfect.
Yeah, chicken is over there.
So much choice. Little flavoured milks. Nice little yogurts.
Excuse me.
It's okay. Even little bowls of frosted flakes, Cheerios, raisin bran. What shall I get? What shall I get? I might get a little yogurt. Yeah, get a yogurt. Let's have a little look at the dolphins.
Yeah, didn't I just say that? Three, actually.
Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, look. Oh God! Oh God! Oh, like Jurassic Park.
I'm surprised you're still on.
Size of this one there. Here comes the rain. Should we go and sit in the bar? Well, we've been very lucky. It's what, 3:30, and it started to rain. Wow, look at the banana tree, it's so gorgeous.